for outboards, IOs and inboards. Complete unit including attachment head and filter canister. Canister is epoxy lined to prevent internal corrosion. Treated filter media for trapping water, while allowing maximum performance. Perko's chrome-plated zinc cap with zinc elbow and black plastic splash guard. Removable 30 mesh, mounted wire screen flame arrestor. Design allows elbow to turn in any direction. Hose size 5/8. Maximum hull thickness 1.1 per display card. Top reviews from the United States. Well-made product and looks good too. Had been getting water in my fuel because water was splashing up on my old vent that had holes all around it. I mounted this vent just as the picture shows and utilized two 90-degree elbows and a couple pieces of very small hose to basically create an upside-down P-trap so any water that gets in there won't just flow down into my fuel tank. Also installed a clam shell over this vent to deflect the water as well. This vent was recommended to me by a marine mechanic and it's worth a few extra dollars as compared to some of the cheaper ones.